Hello. If you're planning a trip to China and want to know how to easily book a hotel in the right place, Trip.com is a global travel platform that offers services in multiple languages, including English, and supports various international payment options. Let me walk you through the simple steps to secure your accommodation in China. Part 1. Step-by-step booking process. Step 1. Access Trip.com and search for hotels. Open the Trip.com website or mobile app. On the main page, you'll see a hotel section. Enter Beijing as your destination, then select your check-in and check-out dates. Choose the number of rooms and guests, and click Search to view available hotels. Step 2. Filter and choose your ideal hotel. Once the search results load, use filters to narrow down options. You can sort by price, guest ratings, or location, e.g., near attractions like the Forbidden City or Great Wall. Read reviews from other travelers to help decide. When you find a hotel you like, click on it to see details like room types and amenities. Step 3. Complete your reservation. After selecting a room, click Book Now. You'll need to provide guest information, such as your name and contact details. Trip.com allows you to pay with credit cards, e.g., Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, or other popular methods. Before paying, double-check the dates and room type. Once confirmed, you'll receive a booking confirmation email with all the details. Part 2. Key features for a smooth experience. Language and currency support. Trip.com offers an English interface and supports currencies like USD, so you can browse and pay without confusion. Customer support. If you have issues during booking, Trip.com provides 24/7 customer service in English. You can contact them via phone, email, or in-app chat for help. Cancellation and changes. Many hotels on Trip.com offer free cancellation or modifications. Always check the policy before booking. Look for free cancellation labels if your plans might change. Rewards and discounts. Sign up for a free Trip.com account to earn Trip coins, which can be used for discounts on future bookings. Also, watch for promo codes and seasonal deals to save money. Part 3. Conclusion. Booking a hotel in China on Trip.com is straightforward and user-friendly. With English support, secure payments, and flexible options, you can focus on enjoying your trip. If you need any help, you can leave a message in the video comment section. If you need commercial assistance in booking services, you can search for @David_Jason on Fiverr. I will provide you with 24-hour professional personal assistant services. Happy travels!